Meaning of firefighting.
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 Firefighting. Firefighting refers to the process of combating and extinguishing fires that occur in buildings, forests, vehicles, ships, and other areas. The objective of firefighting is to prevent the spread of flames, smoke, and heat, and to save lives and properties. Firefighters use various tools and techniques such as water hoses, fire extinguishers, protective gears, and rescue equipment to carry out their duties. Successful firefighting efforts can result in minimizing fire damage and preventing the loss of life, while unsuccessful efforts can result in catastrophic consequences.